Welcome to WinClass. Today I am going to show you how to use one of our amazing tools, Resource Drawer. At WinClass, you can now bring our free resources straight onto your whiteboard at the click of a button. Instead of searching for, then copy and pasting images, you can now look for resources without leaving your classroom. For many students, visual tools are essential for easier understanding. Using a variety of quick-access resources, you can decrease your prep time and ultimately make your online lessons more engaging. Using the resource drawer is especially powerful when teaching young learners. Add worksheets to quickly catch the student's attention. Simply write or draw on top of the worksheet, blending it fully into your lesson. Combine images by dragging and dropping them, making lessons even more collaborative. Add more images and let the students drag and connect them. For more information, please visit our website winclass.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time.